Good morning, ladies. I just wanted to share today some of your stories and some of your tessellations. If you turned one in, you got full credit. So these were super cute to read, and some of you guys definitely have enjoyed this activity for sure. Some of you guys just did it, and I understand that. But some of you guys really enjoyed this, and this is definitely something that that you can integrate into your classroom. Definitely something that you can do an integrated lesson plan with math and literacy. So something you can do. So I just want to share a couple of these. I'm just picking some out. So the first one is Beck the Tangram, and by Miss Jordan. There once was a boy named Beck who happened to live under a deck. He was quite a shy guy, however, that all changed when he saw a butterfly. And again, using those tangrams. And again, tangrams are the 7 pieces. Some of you guys use some pattern block characters, but again, tangrams are only using those 7 pieces. The butterfly flew from miles away from a mystical land known as Far Away. In the land of Far Away, there are many magical creatures, and each one has intricate features. The boy Beck followed the butterfly for quite some time. In fact, when he finally realized how long it had been, he heard a faint chime. In the distance, Beck saw a magnificent tree and exclaimed with glee. He thought with great poise, this must be the source of the faint noise. Much to his delight, the chime was more of a rhyme. In fact, it was more of a song that he could listen to all night long. The song was being sung by a bird for all in the land to be heard. It was in that moment that Beck realized he was no longer under his deck. In fact, Beck didn't have the slightest inkling where he was at or what he was thinking. Why on earth would he follow a butterfly that lives miles away into the magical land of Far Away? And as he was pondering this thought, the earth began to shake quite a lot. The ground began to crack, and down went Beck with a smack. Before Beck could meet the earth's core, he awoke with quite a roar. It had all been a dream, with such an odd theme. Never in his life had Beck been so relieved to be under his deck. The end. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. Cute, cute. I'm just going to hop through here. Sorry, my email is popping on. Let's see. There's a turtle one. And again, this is one I would just want to show you. This is one that is pattern blocks, okay, more than it is tangrams, because remember, tangrams are the 7. But again, I went ahead. There were 5 other, so went ahead with the hunter. Some of these were super cute. Miss Bailey did one on recycling. I think it's Lakin and her ocean adventure. So once upon a time, there was a brave girl named Lakin that wanted to save the world. She knew there were animals in the ocean that needed her help, so she built a boat and sailed across the ocean. First, she came across a turtle that was entangled with it in a plastic bag, so she cut him loose. The next animal she found was a shark that had been cut by discarded, can't read this morning, fishing gear. So she gave him a Band-Aid and went on her way. The last animal Lakin found was a crab that lost its home after the underwater grasses were killed due to pollution. So she built him a new home and returned to her own. Be like Lakin and don't trash where they splash. So this is on environmental. So again, these can go a lot of different ways. A lot of different ways. Let's see, the fox. I thought this one was cute. This and again, you didn't have to use PowerPoint, but I thought it was fun because some of these she actually cut them out, and this is something that your students can do. So this one's about an ice cube, okay, that goes off to his family, and so it has the and yeah, so you can kind of see there's a snake made out of them. There's a little cat. Okay, there's a bunny, a teapot. Oh no, this was not the teapot. This was, yeah, the teapot that you could rub and get wishes. Fill me up, pour me out, and you'll get 3 wishes. So I thought it was super cute. The sad little square. Okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah, everybody got full credit, so we are good there. So let's hop over to our tessellations. And again, you guys did really cute with these for sure. This one was Night on the Shore. Let me see if it'll come up for me. Apparently it's being difficult. I know it's there because I created it. There it is. There it is. Yeah. So I thought this one was fun. It was like water, a horizon, and then this was what she cut on the top and bottom, which would have been the sunset. So I thought that was super cute. Sit up here to the next one. So this one was Sparky the dog. So again, he tessellated the nose right here. Okay, became the nose over here, and then the ear. So those are fun. So Sparky the dog, and then we had an elephant. Ashley did an elephant. Hopefully you guys can see that. Turn it sideways, but did a cute little elephant, which was fun. And then this one became, I'm pretty sure, let me get on the second part. Sorry, I know that everybody got the same grade, so the grades are showing on the side. So this little guy, so little fishy. Okay. Davin gave me, this was peanut butter and jelly. This one was really kind of hard to see, but again, you can kind of see the edges and the scallops on the top. So this one was peanut butter and jelly. Bailey gave me little fishies. Fishies, dogs. I can't remember what she named it. What did she name it? I have to, one moment. Fish, yeah, fish. So they kind of look like little ant eaters too. So okay, and Miss Michaela, the one-eyed ghost. I thought that one turned out cute. Yep, the one-eyed ghost. So, and again, you don't have to be an artist to do these. It is, it's cutting paper. So this one was tessellating a triangle. So also you could, they did the scallops. So, but this was just showing that you can tessellate any polygon. So pizza. When I graded this one, it made me hungry for pizza. So I was like, do I go get pizza? So thanks Hadley for the not doing very well, not eating. Let's see. Let's open this one. There we go. Miss Stina. That one. And then I think that is all. So you guys did awesome on those. Let me click out of that. So again, awesome on those. Very excited for those activities that you did, and that concludes our stuff. Okay, all of our lessons. So kind of as a quick glance, I posted and emailed this. This is our schedule for the rest of the semester. So again today, just sharing Tangram stories and tessellations. So this video. Final exam. I will post the final exam information, and in Blackboard, okay, in Blackboard, you should be able to see your current grades and your total points. I'm hoping, because I can't see what you can see, so if you cannot see your total points, please let me know. But so your current grade and your total points. Now take your total points, because you're going to need those when you look at the final exam information, because you can figure what grade you need in the class. So for the rest of the week, you're just emailing questions if you have them as you're going through your content. Friday night at 8 p.m. will be a Zoom review session. So if you have questions concerning anything about the final exam information, you can either email me before that or ask that night. And then Monday, okay, Monday. The first email I sent out said WebAssign, and I'm sorry because I copied and pasted, but you guys are in my math lab. So final exam on my math lab. Again, the testing time, you can see that. You can see the points, you can see the time limit, you can see the chapters there. So please make sure that you are up on the schedule. So again, today I will be posting the final exam information, and once you go through that, if you do have questions or need some help figuring your grade, please reach out to me. So hope you have a good day. You guys did great on your stories and your tessellations. So I will see you soon.